You probably heard of both affiliate marketing and MLM, multi-level marketing, but you may not be sure what the difference is. Both are similar in that they involve promoting products or services and earning a commission on each sale, but there are some key differences that you should be aware of. So keep watching to learn more about the difference between affiliate marketing and MLM. But before we jump into it, I want to let you know about my number one recommendation for making money online with affiliate marketing. This has helped thousands of ordinary people like me generate income online through affiliate marketing. So I'll drop a link in the description or in my profile so you can check it out. All right, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or each customer brought by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. For example, if you have a blog about shoes and you sign up for an affiliate program with Nike, every time someone clicks on one of your links to Nike's website and makes a purchase, Nike will give you a commission. And what is MLM? Well, MLM or multi-level marketing is a type of direct selling in which independent salespeople sell products or services to customers and also recruit other salespeople to do the same. For example, if you join an MLM company like Mary Kay or Avon, you'll be able to sell their products as well as earn commissions on the products sold by people that you recruit into the business. So what's the difference? Well, the main difference between affiliate marketing and MLM is that with affiliate marketing, you're only rewarded for sales that are directly attributable to your own efforts. With MLM, you're also rewarded for sales made by people you've recruited into the business, called your downline. So as you can see, there are some key differences between affiliate marketing and MLM. Both can be profitable businesses, but it's important to understand how they work before getting started. Which one is right for you will depend on your own skill set and goals. If you're good at sales and enjoy working with people, MLM may be a better fit. If you're more of a lone wolf and prefer to work independently, affiliate marketing may be a better option. If you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing the right way and turn it into a full-time six-figure income online, then check out the link in the description or in my profile for my number one recommendation for getting into affiliate marketing. It's the exact blueprint for succeeding with affiliate marketing, the training, the mentorship from a team that's actually helped thousands of people start successful online businesses. So check out the link, no pressure. It's totally up to you. Take care.